Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to read books for beginners. Reading books is a great way to expand your knowledge, improve your vocabulary, and develop critical thinking skills. For beginners, it can be challenging to get started and stay motivated throughout the reading process. Here are some tips on how to read books for beginners. 1. Start with a book that interests you. Choose a book that you are genuinely interested in reading. Will make reading more enjoyable and help you stay motivated. 2. Set a goal. Set a goal for yourself, such as reading a certain number of pages or chapters per day. This will help you stay on track and make progress. 3. Create a reading schedule. Create a reading schedule that fits your lifestyle. Decide on the best time of day to read and the amount of time you can dedicate to it. 3. Take notes. Taking notes while reading can help you remember important details and concepts. You can use a notebook or highlight important passages in the book. For join a book club. Joining a book club can be a great way to stay motivated and accountable. It also provides an opportunity to discuss the book with others and gain different perspectives. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you have any other tips, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel at Studybudie for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.